Alright, I got this Chevy Caprice here. It's kind of a newer Caprice, this body style. Anyway, it's well, this is a 2014, but I got to do this this shift interlock, because what happens is basically you can't get the car out of park. So this happens a lot. Now they tell you to remove this, you got to take the dash apart and everything else. But for me, if you've seen my other videos, you know I'm a butcher and I really don't give a shit. But in any case, that's what's covering it. So when you take the instrument cluster out, in any case, to make your life easier, instead of pulling the whole dash out, I just cut that piece out, and now you have access to these two bolts, because this whole bracket and all this shit is the shifter interlock, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But in any case, hopefully this helps, because if not, you're pulling the whole fucking dashboard out just to get to these bolts. Also, it is a pain in the ass too, because it's not just, oh, I'm going to take these bolts out. I think there's another one down there somewhere. It's been a little while since I did this. But in any case, I loosen up all these screws on the dash. I got to take the stuff apart down here, this airbag and stuff. So basically I get like all these screws out, because you're going to have to actually take the dash and kind of move it, you know, towards you to be able to snake this thing out, just for shits and giggles. Yeah, you can't fucking see it up there. But yeah, see, that's the whole thing up there that you could barely see. Yeah, so there's that other bolt. But as you can see, this isn't going to come out easy. So you're going to have to like loosen this this whole panel. And you can snake it out through under here. Again, some of this stuff has to come off, like this, you know, air duct and all this crap. So a couple things have to come out down here. But the main point of the video was to, hey, just cut a fucking hole in there, because when you put this thing back on, you ain't even gonna know shit. Nobody's going to know nothing. Nobody's going to see it. So hopefully that tips helps you if you have to deal with this, because it's a pain in the ass. Now again, remember, to snake it out is going to be a pain in the ass too. So don't like think there's anything wrong with you when it doesn't just come out real easy. But this is the main tip: cut a hole in the fucking dash.